Hi, this is Lana Nguyen.
Rich Kwok.
And I'm Alexia Nguyen. Welcome to our newest listing at 11966 Duncan Street.
You're going to love this home. This home is 4 bedrooms plus an additional ADU on a 5,500 square foot lot.
Welcome and take a look inside. We're here in the living room, which is very centralized. What do you think of it?
I love it. It feels really open here. We have recessed lighting, ceiling fans.
Yep, and then you have a fireplace as well as, your living space just right here. This kitchen is very open. You have nice white cabinets. You have a built-in microwave with the hood. And then I love having gas to cook on. And then you have stainless steel appliances as well as a nice kitchen sink that overlooks the outside.
I love sitting here having lunch. There's so much lights through the windows. And there's an open area here where I can put a computer desk when I'm working at home. The nice thing about this home is that it has a spacious laundry area. So basically, the renter from the ADU can enter from a separate door from the outside without going into the house. Included with the house is the gazebo with playground and forever green lawn. Also, the nice thing about this is your neighbor's home are much further away, so you have plenty of privacy. What I love about this room is that it has a lot of closet space and it can be used as a 4th bedroom or it could be rented out for additional income. It comes with its own separate entrance.
I'm in the front bedroom and it has a lot of closet space. You have natural lighting, recessed lights, as well as crown molding.
In the hallway guest bathroom, we have double sink, a new enclosure for the bathtub, as well as a very spacious linen closet.
I'm in the 4th bedroom and guess what? There is a bathroom here. It is a great unit for renting out. You have a nice outdoor patio that they can access as well.
Now I'm in the big backyard. As you can see, you've got a storage shed here, and you've also got natural grass, and the best part is that all the neighbors are not close to your fence. Now I'm here in the back unit, and one of the nice features is that you've got a nice elongated room here. You've got perimeter windows for a ton of natural light.
And you have your own very private bathroom with new sink and modern tile.
And if you love golfing, then Duncan Street is extremely close to the San Jose Country Club. There's lots of amenities nearby, such as close proximity to CIMARRON Park.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.